Hi, it's Memorial Day 2020. We had reservations at a campground in the mountains a few hours from here, and due to COVID-19, of course, had the reservations canceled. We were hoping they would open mid-May. The campground really has no amenities except restrooms, and they may even be pit toilets. I can't remember. We've heard of many campgrounds just locking the restrooms and only permitting self-contained RVs, which we understand. The sites are really far apart, and it's not a well-known or super crowded campground. In fact, I think we were there a couple of Memorial Days ago, a few years back, and there really weren't very many sites taken, but we understand. So we're just kind of sad we couldn't go because we haven't camped since February, which is forever for us. So as many people are doing, we are camping in what is basically our backyard, where we live, where we store the Rpod, and where I work. We're camping in a boatyard. This is COVID camping.
Hello, my beautiful sweet girl. I've not held you in so long. Hello, my silent little love. You're just too shy to fly on down. Or do you hide yourself away? Why don't you let yourself come out? Hello, my precious little love. Eyes are like a pair of jewels. You act as bright as all the stars, and all the sunlight I have seen. Or do you shy away from it all? Why don't you let yourself come